Did you know that the line connecting the home to the main city sewer line is the responsibility of the homeowner? That's why we offer professional video inspections of residential sewer lines. Common issues found in sewer lines are broken or collapsed pipes, offset or sagged sections, and blockage resulting from tree roots. Damaged sewer lines can also cause sewage to back up into the house, causing damage to the home and personal possessions. Repair costs for damaged and degraded lines can range anywhere from a few hundred to thousands of dollars. Sewer line inspections are highly recommended for homes built before the 1980s, but even newer homes can have issues. A sewer line inspection consists of a sewer specialist who uses a camera system, called a sewer scope, to see in the sewer line. Starting at the house and traveling out to the city connection, the sewer line specialist checks for blockages, leaks, sags, and pipe offsets. The specialist is also able to provide information for repair providers to deliver accurate estimate costs. To inquire about a sewer line inspection or to schedule your next home inspection, contact INSPECT360 at 817-754-0360.